Okay, so this is our last example of using scale factors to find unknown lengths. Hopefully you've tried this one by yourself and now you're just checking to see if you got this one correct. So letter B says a particular Egyptian pyramid is 22 feet tall, but the length across the base is unknown. There is a scale model of the pyramid that is 2 feet tall and has a base length of 1 3/10 feet. What is the base length of the actual pyramid and what is the scale factor? So first we have to think about which is bigger, the pyramid or the scale model. And in this case, the pyramid is much taller than this model that we see. And so the pyramid is taller. It says write a word fraction to help you put all of the numbers in the right places. Remember that for our word fraction, we're going to be thinking about, we want our model over our original, so we want our model over our pyramid. So when we write our proportion, our model, we've got 2 feet tall over 1 3/10 feet tall. I'm so sorry. I should not have written it this way. We've got our model over actual. Yep, we always want to do, when we look at our thing, we always are doing model over actual. So the model height is 2 feet tall. The actual height is 22 feet tall. Sorry about that. And then that's equal to, the model is 1 3/10 feet across the base over the pyramid's base, which we're trying to figure out. That's what we're trying to figure out, is the base length of the pyramid. And so we set this up. And then we can write and solve. Once we write our proportion, now we can use cross products to solve. 2 times b is 2b, and 22 times 1 3/10 is 28 6/10. We can divide both sides by 2 to isolate our variable b, and the base is 14 3/10 feet. So the base length of the pyramid is 14 3/10 feet. The scale factor of this pyramid, we can set this up a couple different ways, but we've really got our model, which is 2, over our actual, which is 22. Here's our fraction. Anytime we have that, we just want to make sure that we simplify it. And so because top and bottom are both even, 2 goes into both of them, and I have a scale factor of 1/11. Does this answer make sense? Well, it's taller than it is at the base. This is 2 feet taller, or 2 feet is taller than 1 3/10. 22 is taller than 14 3/10. It seems reasonable. Our scale factor seems about right. 2 feet is 1/11 of 22, so that seems right. And then think, what does scale factor mean? Compare the model to the actual. The model is, in this case, smaller, or 1/11 of the size of the actual pyramid. If we compare the original to the model, the pyramid is bigger than the model. How many times bigger? Well, for every 1 unit on the model, there are 11 units on the pyramid, and so this would be 11 times bigger than the model. And so we can kind of flip that scale factor to help us know how much bigger or how much smaller the actual is compared to the model.